The investors making millions in property, they don't spend hours analyzing deals. They test them in 2 minutes. And here's the exact framework they use. You think you need more data, more spreadsheets, more YouTube videos. But here's what's really happening. While you're doing your research, the sharp investors are moving. They've already viewed it, already made an offer, already locked it in. Speed isn't reckless. Speed is strategic. And I'm about to show you how the top 1% of property investors think. It's called the 3C framework. 1. Check the numbers. Fast yield plus cash flow test. 2. Compare to area average. Is this deal above or below market? 3. Confirm rent demand. Will it actually rent out? That's it. No 40-tab browser chaos, no analysis paralysis. Let me walk you through each one. C1. Check the numbers, 40 seconds. Formula. Annual rent divided by purchase price. Times 100 equals gross yield. If it's under your target, mine's 7%, move on. But also check cash flow, because yield doesn't mean profit if your cost is eat it all. Quick check. Rent minus mortgage plus management plus maintenance equals net cash flow positive? Proceed. Negative? Pass. C2. Compare to area average, 40 seconds. Open Rightmove. Search the postcode. Filter sold prices. What did similar properties sell for in the last 6 months? If the listing you're looking at is 10 to 15% below recent sold prices, you've got leverage. If it's above average, you better have a damn good reason, refurb potential, unique feature, etc. C3. Confirm rent demand, final 40 seconds. Go to Rightmove Rentals, type the postcode. How many similar properties are listed? Under 5 listings? High demand. You'll rent it fast. 10 to 20 listings? Moderate. Not bad, but be realistic on rent. 30 plus listings? Oversupplied. Walk away unless you're getting it stupid cheap. Here's a stat most people don't know. According to the Property Hub 2024 investor report, over 70% of top-performing property investors use deal heuristics, basically fast screening rules. They don't analyze every detail. They use frameworks like this to filter fast. And that's why they close more deals, because they're in action while everyone else is thinking about it. If you want my 2-minute deal analysis checklist, the exact one I print out and keep next to my laptop, it's free. Link in the description. Hit subscribe if you want more of these no BS property breakdowns. And next video, I'm showing you the 5-second test I use to spot overpriced properties before I even click the listing. See you there. This is educational content only. I'm not your financial or legal advisor. Property values and income vary. Always do your own research and seek professional advice before investing.